here for a room tour of Villa 8350 at the Disney Island Tower Hotel at the Polynesian Resort. Whenever you first walk in, there's plenty of area for luggage storage. As you can see, ours is already down there. And to your right is the bathroom. There's a shower with double shower heads. And a bench. Then beside that is the toilet area. The vanity area with double mirrors, but only one sink. Across from the bathroom is a closet area with extra pillows and blankets, hangers, laundry basket, a safe on one side, and then on the other side, more hangers, place to store luggage, and an ironing board, and the steam iron. Across from that is a full-length mirror. You walk in and you have a small bench area, another bench area with a table, and in between the two you have your USB-C, your USBs, and two regular plugs. Your kitchenette. This studio is different than most studios because you have the dishwasher. You also have a mini fridge, the Keurig that is single serve, and regular full-size coffee pot with your Joffrey's coffee, and a small microwave, cups, mugs, plates, bowls, more storage, toaster, you have your sink, you have your dish drying rack and your dishwashing products, your trash, and your silverware, which is actual silverware. Here's the dishwasher. It's small, but it will work. So you have your TV, your large drawers. You have 3 of those. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Baloo. Baloo who? Baloo skies are on the way.
You have a shelf, some artwork, another shelf, light, more USB plugs, a little chair to sit on. And over here you have a queen size bed and a queen pull down bed. This actually is a couch. but I wanted to point out the artwork. Comment below if you can see a chicken, if you can see Maui, if you can see Hey Hey, if you can see Moana. So like I said, this is a couch, but it's a queen size bed as well. I'm gonna push it up, and I'm pushing it up with one hand, so that's how easy it is to push up, come down, and then that opens up the space as well. So this room sleeps up to 4 people. So 2 people on the queen size bed, and then 2 people on the pull down. And then we have a balcony, which the door is really heavy. And this is the view from the balcony. There's the Polynesian Resort, the Contemporary and Bay Lake over there. And then right there is Space Mountain, Tron, and the castle. And beside us is the Grand Floridian. Like I said, this is a room tour of Studio Villa 8350 at the Island Tower Hotel at the Disney Polynesian Village Resort. Like and subscribe, and please consider booking your next Walt Disney World vacation with Nicole Weller at swanandsparrowtravel.com. Thank you.